Today I will share how to make International Yoga Day poster in Canva. So let's start with it. So I have chosen Instagram post as my canvas, and in the elements, as you can see, I have chosen some images, and for the first image I will use this yoga posture image, and I will use BG remover to remove the background. This picture, as you can see, is free to use and it is uploaded in pixels, and which has a direct collaboration with Canva, so you can directly use it. Okay, and after that just crop the parts which are not required and flip it. Okay, and just make it bigger. Like this, and after that I will use a circle shape and I will make it bigger and change the color to the same skin color. Like this, a little bit darker, so that we can just align it with it. And after that, let's make it bigger and just reduce the transparency to check if it is aligning with the image or not. Let's make it a bit smaller, like this. Okay, and let's keep it here. Okay, and after that increase the transparency and then right click it, go to layers, send to back. Okay, so the placement is done, and let's make it slightly less dark, slightly lighter color, because it is not blending, like this. Okay, and let's make it slightly smaller so that it creates a pop-out effect for the yoga posture. Okay, and after that I will use the text here. You click on add a heading and write yoga and place it right here, and change the font here to Leak Spartan, and after that make the size as 144. Okay, and after that place it right here and increase the spacing like this, and now let's center it, and after that change the background color. So for that I will choose this one, make it a lighter tone because we want to make a gradient effect, and for this we have chosen this one as white color, and let's reverse it and use this one, make it this one a lighter color so that it can create a good blend effect here. Okay, and after that text color to white and go to FX, use lift and use it as 55. Okay, and after that here we'll click on add a subheading here, and here I will write international and duplicate it. Here I will write day and place it right here and right here. Okay, so this one is done. Now we'll select this image, go to show layers and select both of them and move it slightly down like this, and after that go to elements, and here I will select semi circle line and click on see all in graphics and use this one, rotate it to make it to the same circle size, slightly more rotate. and change it to the same color as this circle, and after that just zoom in. And as you can see, I have searched in ChatGPT 5 benefits of yoga, and for that it has provided me 5 benefits, but here I want to write 3 of them. And for that I will again go to the elements page. Here I will search for circle and make it small, and place it right here, change the color to white. And after that I will use the text, add a subheading. Here I will write 1 and place it in the circle and change the size to 32. Okay, and after that I will copy one of them, like this one. I will use this improves flexibility and balance, and I will click on add a subheading and paste this one. And now I will change the size as 16 and place it right here and make it to the second line. Okay, so this one is done. Let's fix it to the middle, and after that just copy all of them and duplicate it. Place one here and duplicate it again, place another one here. Okay, and now for the second one I will write 2, and for the third one here I will write 3, and I will change the quotes here. So I will, for the second one I will use boost heart health, and here I will place it. And in the third one here I will write enhances strength and endurance, and I will place it right here. Okay, so our 3 actions writing is done. So let's make it to the same difference. So for this I will just move it slightly downwards so that I can make it equidistant, and this one is done. Now for the last one, as you can see, this year's yoga day theme is yoga for one earth, one health. So I will just copy it and I will click on add a subheading again and paste it here and paste it down here and just decrease the size to 32 and place it right here. Let's check if it is coming in the middle or not, and after that change the color to this one. A slightly darker shade will be more helpful, and like this. And now change the international and day color to the same one so that it matches. And now as you can see, it looks like a different color is coming and popping out here, and our tutorial and poster design is ready. And I hope you like this tutorial, and even beginners can also design it following this tutorial. And let's meet in another tutorial in another style. Thank you.